G'day guys, it's Aaron from Ace Sydney Electricians here, just with another video. This time it's about how can I tell if I've got a safety switch. Okay, so this is a close-up of your safety switch. You can see it's clearly labelled safety switch and it tells you what circuits it protects. You just want to make sure that all of your light and power circuits are protected by the safety switch, otherwise your home doesn't comply with the current safety standards. Here you can also see, it's easy to tell, you've got a button here that says T. None of the other circuit breakers will have that, but this T stands for test, and you'll see above it in writing it says test monthly, press button to trip. And now if you press that button it'll trip like we showed you in one of the other videos. And I've also got this switchboard just to show you an example. This type of setup is common early 90s and before. Then in the 90s and early 2000s we went to this type of setup. We've got one main safety switch protecting light and power circuits. Just be careful because sometimes the lights weren't protected. You want to make sure they're protected. Same deal here. You got a test button. It's a different type. It says T. It says test. This is a good setup. However, if you have a fault, it makes fault finding really inconvenient because you lose the power to your whole house and you need to wait till an electrician comes before you can get any power back on. Whereas if you go to this new system, which we started using in the mid-2000s, you have one individual safety switch for each light and power circuit. That way, if you do have a fault, you only lose power to the either light or power circuit that has the fault on it. Makes it much more convenient. You'll no longer need to call an electrician after hours. Again, you can see the test button. These units these days are much smaller. Still do the same job, but this is the way to go. Definitely the way to go if you're doing a switchboard upgrade. If you find that your house doesn't have a safety switch, or it has these fuses or plug-in circuit breakers, or you're not sure where your safety switch is, give your local electrician a call, or if you're in Sydney, give us a call on 1300 796 500. Another option of what you can do is click on the link below. It goes to a page on our website that explains in more detail how to tell if you've got a safety switch. Thanks for listening to the video guys, and have a great day.